In the fast-paced world of Formula One, timing is everything. Today, on January 9th, 2026, the German auto giant has made a powerful statement by becoming the first team to run a car built to the new 2026 specifications on track. This is a significant moment as it gears up for its highly anticipated entry into the sport. While its rivals are still putting the finishing touches on their new machines, the team has already completed a successful shakedown of its brand new car at the Circuit de Catalunya in Barcelona. This early track debut is a clear demonstration of ambition and commitment. The team is not just entering Formula One to participate, it is here to win. The successful 200-kilometer filming day, with new drivers Nico Hülkenberg and Gabriel Bortoleto at the helm, is a major milestone. Reports indicate that the car ran flawlessly, with all basic systems and checks performing as expected. This smooth first outing is a huge boost for the team and a credit to the immense effort that has been taking place behind the scenes at their facilities. The importance of this early test cannot be overstated. The 2026 regulations represent a seismic shift for Formula One. The cars are completely different, featuring new active aerodynamics and a new generation of power units with a much greater emphasis on electric power. For a new manufacturer, gaining an early understanding of these complex new rules is a massive advantage. Every lap completed and every piece of data gathered is incredibly valuable at this stage. By being the first to hit the track, the team has gained a crucial head start on its competitors. To fully appreciate the significance of today's events, it is important to look back at the journey to this point. The company officially announced its Formula One entry in 2022 and has since been working relentlessly to build its team and develop its own power unit. The acquisition of an experienced outfit provided a solid foundation which has been transformed into a full-fledged factory operation. The first major breakthrough came on December 19th of last year, with the successful first fire-up of the new power unit at the team's base. This was followed by the first fire-up of the complete Formula One engine on January 7th, a moment that rookie driver Gabriel Bortoleto described as giving him goosebumps. Now, just 2 days later, that engine has powered the new car around a racetrack. This rapid pace of development is a clear indication of dedication to the project. The team has assembled a formidable leadership group with a wealth of Formula One experience. A highly respected former sporting director from a top team has been appointed as team principal, and a former technical leader from another major squad is also playing a key role. This combination of experience and expertise will be invaluable. The decision to conduct an early shakedown is a strategic masterstroke. The regulations permit each team 2 filming days per year, limited to 200 kilometers, and using special demonstration tires. While not as comprehensive as official pre-season testing, these days are incredibly useful. They provide an opportunity to check all the basic systems, ensure everything is functioning correctly, and identify any potential reliability issues before they become major setbacks. For a brand new car and power unit, this is an essential part of the development process. So, what are the key takeaways from this first test? The most important is the apparent reliability of the new car. Completing a shakedown without any significant problems is a major achievement and will give the team a huge confidence boost heading into the first official preseason test at the end of the month. It also confirms that their development program is on schedule. This is a team that is demonstrating all the hallmarks of a well-organized, well-funded, and well-prepared operation. However, it is important to maintain a sense of perspective. This was a shakedown, not a qualifying session. The car was running on demonstration tires, and the team was not pushing it to its absolute limits. A true picture of the car's performance will only emerge during the official preseason tests. But this is an undeniably positive start. They have established a solid foundation and have given themselves an excellent platform to build upon. This news will undoubtedly send ripples through the Formula One paddock. The other teams will be watching this progress with a mixture of admiration and apprehension. The race to master the new regulations is officially on, and the starting pistol has just been fired. The other teams will now be under pressure to get their own cars on track and start their own testing programs. The coming weeks will be a period of intense activity as the teams prepare for the first official test in Barcelona. The official team launch is scheduled for January 20th in Berlin. This will be the moment when they unveil their new car to the world and outline their ambitions for the season ahead. Based on today's successful test, they have every reason to be optimistic. They have a strong team, a new car that appears to be reliable, and a clear vision for the future. The project has made a flying start, and the rest of the Formula One world has been put on notice. Let us delve deeper into what this early test means in the grand scheme of the 2026 season. The new regulations are designed to make the cars more sustainable, more exciting, and more challenging to drive. The power units will run on 100% sustainable fuels, and the electrical component will be significantly increased, providing up to 50% of the total power. This is a huge technical challenge for all the engine manufacturers, and it is an area where the team, with its vast experience in electric and hybrid technology from other racing programs, could have a significant advantage. The chassis regulations are also undergoing a major overhaul. The cars will be smaller and lighter, and they will feature active aerodynamics. This means that the drivers will be able to adjust the aerodynamic balance of the car on the fly, which will create new strategic opportunities and could lead to more exciting racing. However, it also adds another layer of complexity for the teams to master. By getting their car on track early, the team has given itself a head start in understanding how to optimize these new aerodynamic systems. The driver lineup is another key piece of the puzzle. Nico Hülkenberg is a proven and experienced Formula One veteran. He has a reputation for being a solid and reliable driver who can consistently bring the car home in the points. He will be an invaluable asset to the team. Gabriel Bortoleto, on the other hand, is a young and exciting talent. The reigning Formula 2 champion is making the step up to Formula 1 with a lot of expectation on his shoulders. He is a fast and aggressive driver, and he will be pushing Hülkenberg hard from the very beginning. This combination of youth and experience could be a very powerful one. The team's infrastructure is also a major strength. The factory is a state-of-the-art facility, and there has been heavy investment in upgrading it even further. A fully operational power unit facility has also been established. This is a team that has all the resources it needs to compete at the highest level. So, what are the realistic expectations for the team in its debut season? It would be foolish to expect them to be challenging for wins and championships straight away. The learning curve in Formula One is incredibly steep. However, a strong start is certainly possible. If they can build on the reliability they have shown in this first test, and if they can continue to develop their car at a rapid pace, they could be a regular contender for points and podiums. With a bit of luck, they might even be able to spring a surprise or two. The 2026 season is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and unpredictable in recent memory. The new regulations, the evolving team landscape, and the new driver lineups all add up to a recipe for thrilling racing. The team is right at the heart of it all. They have made a bold statement with this early test, and they have shown that they are a team to be taken seriously. The four rings are back in top-level motorsport, and they are ready to make their mark on Formula One.